Okay, anyways, here we go. Take two.
Take two.
Oh, there's more.
Dude, I need to change my shoes.
Oh my god.
Relax.
I
not
can't help
this.
you with that one. These are all I got.
They're so cute. You can wear my volleyball shoes if you're not going outside. If you would like to be
I'm
carried.
good.
Oh! Yeah. You should wear her volleyball shoes because then she can't walk outside. So then she'd have to be carried.
By
Number
who?
14.
right.
Oh, is this a thing where you have to do the common denominator on the left side?
We are, but we're going to do something first.
Times it by 3x.
What do we notice about this?
It's factorable.
Into what?
Into tiers. X. Is it
X
minus
plus
1?
1, X plus 3. X minus.
It's x minus
1 times 3 is 3.
Yeah.
No, X
I
plus
can't.
3.
I can't right now.
X.
What'd you say it was,
Minus
Berkeley?
4.
It's not 4 because it's negative, right? Oh, negative 4.
Because then negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Negative 1x plus 4x is 3x.
Got it.
Now, what do you notice about the left and the
I
right?
stab my fingers.
There's
So that means-
the denominators are.
Does that mean if you move that over to the other side after you multiply, then the denominator would just be the same?
No, if
way
you
across?
multiply by x minus 1 and x plus 4, will it all go away?
That is what I just said.
Well, so I'm going to multiply this one by x minus 1.
And then multiply that one by
I
x
don't
plus
even have
4.
room to write that.
And you just get 1x.
So then on top,
Oh, I wrote the wrong ones. Oh, no, I didn't.
Does that say X plus 1 or what was that?
X minus 1 and x plus 4.
Our mission is to beat a conference team this year.
Thank you for.
That was so
Sorry.
random. Oh my god.
You just.
Sorry, I was just thinking about it, and I was like, we have Gateway next week,
They
I
just
think.
cancel out.
we play them on Saturday. I'm very excited.
And our high
You
school
look at it.
team
How do they,
is
like,
Huh?
You look it. How do they?
I'm not excited about having to be here at 7 o'clock in the morning to leave, but it's fine.
Oh my gosh, why did I just write x plus 3? There's no x plus 3 anywhere.
I'm just going to wait till everybody has this part written down, and then we're going to talk about what to do
What
from
about the
here.
snow?
Yeah, see, there's that also.
We're supposed to get 2 inches in the next 24 hours.
I'm so
I highly
mad.
doubt that.
That's
Oh.
what the weather says. And then my mom's special, like, weather dude who's, like, really accurate, apparently, says that we're getting 3 to 6 inches.
That's what I
I
saw.
don't know, but.
That's what's been
Ever
every.
since-
There's a 39% chance that we get 3 to 6. There's a 30% chance that we get like 4 to 8,
Yeah.
and then it was like a 7% chance that we get an inch or less, and a 7% chance that we get more than
Yeah.
like 8 inches.
My mom.
Hey, let's
Every
get more
single
than
time
8
that this dude
inches.
says something about snow, he's always right. So.
Is it John Cash?
I have no idea. Probably.
Because he
He's
is
some dude on Facebook
pretty
my mom
accurate.
follows.
Can it be like
I don't
10
know.
inches of snow, please?
Yeah, 10 inches. No school Monday. No stickers.
No,
Better
I
take
don't
your
want
books
school to be
home.
canceled Monday, but I wanted it to snow 10 inches.
But I already told y'all, every weekend I'm taking my entire locker home. I might as well just like,
You should ask Miss Marshall for a chemistry and anatomy book to take home.
I have a chemistry pre-cal and stats book all at home. I got fuzzy boots.
Wait, could I? No, I could just say picture for you.
all right. Everybody have this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so since the denominators are the same, I can get rid of them.
Cross them out.
Just cross them out. Get rid of them. Technically, let me show you. Technically, what's happening is that we're in reality multiplying this whole thing by x minus 1 times x plus 4, which is canceling out the denominators on both sides with that. Is really what's happening.
Mhm.
But if they're the same, you can do that, so you can just get rid of them. You don't necessarily have to show me that. Just visually know that that's what's happening.
I would have said the next step I would have done was done distributed property. And I
So
would've
then
got rid of it.
we can go ahead and do that over here on the top stuff, just to save writing a step. I'll have 4x squared minus 4x plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 15. And then 4x squared minus x. Just because I need to get 0 on this side, I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 15 over. So 12 minus 15 is negative 3.
Now you factor this part.
Can you?
Yeah, 4 and 3.
What?
Can you not use 4 and
No, you can. I just was asking if what you were telling me to do with it.
So it'd be like 4.
3? Minus 4 x plus 3.
Hmm?
X minus 3.
That?
I don't know. Yeah, it'll give you negative 3.
Yeah, because it's going to give you the negative, and so then group, take a 4x, leaving you with x minus 1, take a 3, x minus 1. So then I've got 4x plus 3 times x minus 1.
Is that middle step important?
Where?
Like,
This one?
yeah.
Yeah.
Like, if you could do that in your head.
Nope. Have to write it down.
Okay.
So then 4x equals negative 3, x equals negative 3/4, then x equals 1. So these are the two things that we're checking. Okay, I'm going to make sure everybody has that down, and then we'll check them. Because obviously we love fractions.
You can change it to a decimal technically.
Why would you want to do that?
Yeah, but
Because
they
sometimes
might-
decimals are easier.
and a lot of them
Can I
make
go away?
Mm.
I don't know why.
Is that dookie part?
Literally do it, actually. Like,
All right, so check.
I'll start with
Those were
1
childish.
because 1's easier.
That's fine.
So, well, I'm just going to get this one out of the way. 4 times negative 3/4 over negative 3/4 plus 4
Wait, where's
plus, it's going the original, 3 over negative 3/4 minus 1 equals 15 over, you can use the factored form or the actual original. I don't really care. I'm going to use the original personally, but whatever you want to do.
Why? Ask him. What? Why do you hurt?
And then you can type this in your calculator.
Oh, nice.
As long as left side equals right side, we're good.
So for concessions, do we need to be here? Like, what do we need to be here?
I'm not leaving.
I'm staying after school.
I'm
But-
staying
not
after
leaving
school.
either.
Okay.
If you're like wanting to go get Starbucks or something, that's fine. Or if you're going home, I don't really care.
Well, I was just asking because I kind of left my room a mess, and I just feel like today's gonna be the day where my mom goes into my room when she gets off work, and I just
Oh.
feel like I should probably at least go put my laundry away.
Did anyone
Was it,
get the left
okay, if
side
you're doing a
equals
negative fraction, does it matter where you put the negative sign?
Mm-mm.
In the
Mhm.
top or bottom?
Because it's
But
always
like
negative.
technically this one would simplify, so those cancel, so you're just left with a negative 3 on top.
Oh, man, I screwed the thing.
I got 3 on the left and 20.4 on the right, so something's wrong.
Neither of those are right.
Yeah.
I got 2.7.
One girl doesn't know how to use her
Um,
calculator. I just stick parentheses random places.
I wrote this wrong. Oh my gosh, and I just wrote it.
Do you have to put parentheses around everything?
I would
just did
put,
what I
personally, I would do parentheses around the fractions, parentheses around the whole thing.
Okay.
Yeah, you had to do parentheses.
If you're not putting it in as a fraction. So like if you know how to use the fraction function on your calculator,
How do you do that?
alpha F1,
Okay.
enter.
I'm just gonna stick.
I don't know. This is not good.
You said alpha F1.
Yeah. And then you should see something that says like N over D pop up on your screen. You hit enter and then you can fill in the fraction box.
It's all red. I mean, you need it for chemistry. Cereal.
Really?
With the cheese.
And then you wouldn't have to worry about the the parentheses around the whole like
Okay.
whole fraction bar.
Definitely did something
Basically,
wrong
yeah.
because these are
Hold up. Okay. 3
I
over
did like it too.
Oh, that is not
parentheses.
It was definitely necessary.
Just give me a moment. I'm getting there. Sort of.
It's taking me a little bit of time, but I think I will get there.
No, it's not.
And parentheses. That looks right. I got 3 for the first one.
Me too.
I can't believe you guys won last night. Well, I mean,
I did not get
can't.
3 for the second one.
I mean, I can believe that they won last night. Those kids were itty bitty.
They
They were tiny.
were not
Like
tiny. They were
that.
like all
Oh my
5 or
gosh.
something.
So small.
I'm confused. Did you get 3 on the first one?
I did.
I don't. But my second one is literally 20 something earlier.
3 for the first one, and then I got 3.
Beth
20 for the
was
second
better
one,
than
too.
them. Beth has a small team too.
It went dark.
Is that a homeschool province?
I have no idea. There's somewhere in Williamsburg, right by the Jamestown area, but yeah.
I got negative 2.637 from both.
15.
What's that as a fraction? I said, what is that as a fraction? Because I just got, for this side, I got negative 240 over 91.
How do I make it a fraction?
Cheese balls.
Okay, but on the other side I got 245 over 12.
How do you get a fraction?
Wait.
And then, let's see.
I typed everything in right, didn't I?
Excuse me. I will not get in your way.
Actually,
It's the same
I-
thing, Miss Wayne. It's the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, I did something wrong.
But how do you make your decimal a fraction on your calculator?
Hit math. And then there should be a little thing that looks like this.
Oh, the fraction bar?
And it says frac. Like this is like an arrow.
What was I thinking? How come I...
Okay, one of mine just came out as a decimal and I got 245 over 12 on the second one. But I don't.
Wait. Should I be on math or fraction?
Hit math and then hit this. Should be like
Oh, it's number 1.
the first option you have.
Oh. That's nice. Yeah, I got that for both of them.
How the cheese balls did y'all get that?
This
I
is
didn't
what
get
put
that. I
into
got
my
3 and
calculator.
245
I
over
literally
12,
put parentheses
so-
around everything. Let me...
I give up.
If the calculator is struggling, how do you expect me not?
And you have to like go sideways, like that, so you get to the whole equation.
And I got equals negative 240 over 91.
How on earth? I got neither of those answers.
Woman, it's not that difficult.
Okay, we gotta pick the other one now, right? Or is
Did
there
you just
another
delete that?
Yeah, can you show us how you did it?
You just literally have to put fraction, you have to put parentheses around everything.
Yeah, you literally have to put, if you don't put your parentheses around everything because they're negatives, it doesn't work.
What are you laughing at?
I licked my lips when I thought about when.
Lizard?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's funnier when you do
You literally look dead, or like a cow.
That's so mean.
That was rude.
That is so
No,
mean.
when you do it! When you do it, a cute cow. Or dead.
Help me!
That's
How is that any better?
I don't think blow drying your hair would be the same effect as blow drying a cute cow's hair though, so I don't really think you can like.
It's definitely not.
Yeah, I don't really think.
I mean, if I like shaved my head, then maybe, but.
What? You just change the topic really fast.
No, we were talking about cows.
Oh, right. You guys are obsessed with those things.
They're so cute.
No.
The fluffy ones.
At Stonebridge, literally all their parking spaces, they're like juniors and seniors can buy a parking spot and they get to paint their spot. And there was one last night that was painted like a cow.
Can we do that?
And it said, "Holy cow, I'm a senior."
Oh, I saw that.
It was so cute.
You just paint over it. So you just keep painting over it.
Kenny's is still at Hampton Christian.
Can we do that?
Nope.
No, we have the ceiling
'Cause
tile
it's a church.
instead at the art room.
Mine says.
But that's only for seniors that are in art, though.
Number 1.
Huh?
I went to do number 1 and it's not letting.
Are you using the negative sign or the minus sign?
It's a negative 1.
Huh?
I'm trying to see if I can get
For
that
x
to work.
equals 1.
Oh, I thought you were talking about this.
Oh, okay, I got it now. This is, I understand.
I
We're going places,
don't.
guys.
What's the error?
I
This
give
is
up.
just gonna
We're
take
gonna hope.
me a-
Okay, so you put everything in as a fraction. You didn't do. Never mind. We'll hope it works because I cleared it too many times on accident.
Can I come up to you?
Never allowed, Berkeley.
You're not allowed to ask questions.
I made
don't
this
you
a
know?
fraction, which I know. I mean, I did make it a fraction, which I know is going to be
It takes
difficult,
forever
but
to put in.
how
Dude,
come
if this is sin,
it's
it's
an
gonna die.
error?
Me too.
Is
Does it look like there's something wrong with it?
Does anyone know if it senses or not?
Nope.
Nobody came in early.
Dang, we need to rotate who comes in early every week, so we can know. Apples and bananas.
Divide by 0. That's your answer.
Oh my gosh, this makes so much more sense.
So just no.
It's extraneous.
Friday.
We're gonna go out and do that in a second. All right, I'm gonna do the one for. Whoa!
What happened?
I zoomed it in for the calculator, and now it's like
Creepy.
awkwardly close. Okay. Okay. So we have to check 1 now. So 4 times 1 over 1 plus 4 plus 3 over 1 minus 1 equals 15 over 1 squared plus 3 times 1 minus 4. So then check that one.
Taylor knows that song. Where's Joel?
It was definitely wrong.
Who's Joel, not me?
So confused.
We just not. Do I
Wait.
just not say anything?
Just wait a minute since I just told you.
I mean, I guess that makes sense.
See if they can figure it out.
Probably not, and my calculator's dead.
What is that?
It's just
number
1.
in
You
the
should be able to do that in your head.
parentheses? Is that a? Oh, never mind. It's obviously
Oh, we're not
a
using
1
our
or
calculator
stupid.
now?
You can, but I'm just saying you should be able to do that in your head.
It actually
4
Wait a
times
minute.
1 is 4, divided by 1 plus 4 is 5, so 4 over 5.
I'm not that smart.
3 over 0 equals 15
Hold up.
over 0.
So it's 0. They're both 0. So they equal.
Does Cookie
No.
Monster have any friends?
No.
No.
What?
So can I do this problem?
No.
There you go.
Where did we get? I just said no.
Cookie Monster.
I'll tell you in a second.
Because it's a 0 and it looks like a cookie.
No, hold on. I'll go over it in a second.
Wait, I heard.
Okay, so that means that 1 is extraneous.
You know, if you ask Siri that,
That's
it would tell you that, like that joke, and then.
That's
yeah.
why I said it, seeing if anybody knew that, but then apparently most people didn't
You know,
get
that's
it.
cheap.
So
I didn't.
that's
cheat.
not.
It's if
hold
you say
on.
0
No,
times 0,
it's
like
an actual
huge
joke
thing.
that people tell Siri.
You ask like what 0 times 0 is, and then it would tell you.
Can I ask her?
These are due on Monday, 5, 9, and 15.
Can we?
So you can choose to use the rest of class, which is like just shy of 20 minutes, to do these, or you can study, and you have to do them this weekend.